वेलकम टू विजन MBA। नाउ गाइज आजकल ना एक ट्रेंड चला हुआ है कि टॉपर्स के इंटरव्यू लो और यूट्यूब पे डालो। तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी ये ट्रेंड पे ज्वाइन कर लूँ। जोक्स अपार्ट गाइज, आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात कराऊंगा एक बंदे से जो बहुत ही डाउन टू अर्थ है, बहुत ही सिंपल सजग है। उसने कोई बहुत ज़्यादा गड्ढे नहीं गाड़े, खोदे या झंडे नहीं गाड़े, लेकिन वो कर दिया जो उसको करना था। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वैभव। वैभव एक ऐसा बंदा है जो लखनऊ का है एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही आई ट्रेन्ड हिम फॉर वेरियस इंटरव्यूज़ एंड अदर स्टफ online, of course. Lucknow, I'm in Mumbai, kahan? Well, so let's talk to Vaibhav and let's know about him. So Vaibhav, welcome, and I want to ask you, or I request you to explain about yourself or tell me something about yourself. एक question पूछा जाता है ना interviews में, tell me about something yourself. So please tell the people who might watch this video, let's know about you. Tell me something about you, my friend.
So my name is Vaibhav. I'm born and brought up in Lucknow. Initially, I did my schooling from St. Francis College, and after that, I started preparing for graduation, and then I prepared for MBA exams. My likes include reading books, and you asked me about my thought process, and actually, sir, my thought process eventually evolved by reading books. So, sir.
हर कोई ये बात करता है कि ऐसे पढ़ो वैसे पढ़ो। सो यार वैभव, आई वांटेड टू नो व्हाट इज़ योर फंडा ऑफ बीइंग रिलैक्स, हाउ यू रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, ये बताओ यार पहले।
I relax myself by listening to music. Take long walk with my friends. I cycle, and I also watch movies. I also watch Netflix. So that is the way I relax.
Any tips and suggestions you want to give to people who are going to go and appear in these examinations like NMAT, SNAP, TIS, or any other examination?
So one thing which I want to share with my fellow MBA aspirants is that you should give a lot of mocks, sectional mocks, full mocks, and even mocks of particular topics. That will actually help you a lot in qualifying these exams. Because when you will give mocks, you will actually know where you were wrong. So I think, sir, mocks are the key to get successful in any exam.
Now, Vaibhav, एक बहुत ही अजीब सा सवाल है. I really don't know whether you're going to get it or not. I'm sure you're going to get it, and I want you to answer it. How was your journey? Like, what you learned from your journey? हर एक की अपनी एक पहचान होती है, हर एक की अपनी एक एक्सपीरियंस होता है. So, can you tell us something about your journey for preparing or while preparing for these entrance examination? How you felt? How was your journey? And what you gained from it? What experience you gained from it?
Sir, I started my preparation for MBA exams in 2020, and it has changed me a lot. In a single year, I worked on the problems which I never even thought that I'll be working on, like my communication skills, like my how I behave, how I speak, how I communicate, how I reciprocate with people. So, sir, these are the things which has actually changed me as a personality. And before MBA exams, I was not good at mathematics. Now I can say that eventually I improved myself. So, as a person, I realized that there is always a scope for improvement. So that is what I have learned.
चलो बाकी चीज़ें बाद में बताओ यार वैभव. हाउ मेनी कॉल्स यू हैव गॉट, हाउ मेनी कॉल्स यू हैव गॉट फ्रॉम व्हाट ऑल कॉलेजेस? बिकॉज आई नो सब लोग को जानने में इंटरेस्ट होगा वो.
I got called from many prestigious colleges like KJ Sumaya, TISS, and many other colleges. And some my secret of success is that I think that a person needs to work very consistently, and if he works in a very consistent manner for a very long time, I think that definitely he'll be successful. That is what I have learned in my journey.
So Vaibhav, the last question, who you think played a role in your journey or the pillars of your success? Do you want to name anyone? ज़रूरी नहीं है कि विजन MBA का ही नाम लो. You can talk about anyone who helped you to get a great score. ठीक है? So tell us about people who really helped you to get a great score.
I also want to thank Vision India, especially Ashish sir, because everyone will tell you what to do when you will qualify exams, but what to do after you don't qualify exams, how to handle that stress. And the guidance of Ashish sir in that particular time is absolutely beyond words. The way he helps, the way he gives hand holding support is absolutely phenomenal. And I also want to thank Rajesh sir who has actually helped and mentored me in improving my mathematics and my reasoning capabilities. So I just want to thank both of them.
Thank you, Vaibhav. I really want to thank you for coming online and giving this interview. I really appreciate your efforts and I really feel honored. It's an honor to train a person like you. So I hope, guys, this small interview with Vaibhav is going to give you a bit of clarity. Stay focused, stay blessed. Thank you, guys.